rules. Emily Stewrat, the science rat.
Acid rain is any form of water more acidic than normal. This means that it has a pH lower than 5.6. So, what causes acid rain? Let's dive a little deeper. As people burn fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide enter the atmosphere. The chemicals mix with water, O2, and oxidants. The sun makes reactions even faster, so more of the solution is created. When it rains, snows, or is foggy, acidic solutions impact Earth's surface in a process called acid deposition. This process can take days, or even hours. Acid rain or acid deposition affects both living and non-living things. Trees are weakened and more likely to get diseases or bugs. Soil isn't able to hold nutrients as well. Animals, especially aquatic ones, are sensitive to change in pH. Some fish aren't even able to reproduce in acid water. Buildings can be hurt too. Now let's go to the lab. Today we're going to be modeling what happens to acid rain on buildings. To do so, we have this piece of sidewalk chalk and white vinegar distilled. Let's see what happens when acid rain comes on a building. Whoa!
So what can you do to stop it?
I'll tell you, little girl. Humans are indirectly affected by acid deposition and they cause it. To help, organizations like the EPA conduct scientific research by taking samples of pollution and acidity. More air pollution means more acid rain. Whoa! This means that it is important to filter smokestacks to keep chemicals out of our air. Another way to help stop acid rain is to develop cleaner energies. Solar, wind, hydroelectric do not release sulfur dioxide or nitrogen oxide into the air. Most importantly, you at home can conserve. Walk, carpool, turn off the lights, just to reduce the chemicals you release into the atmosphere. You could also try to drive more fuel-efficient cars, like a hybrid or a Prius. Now it's time for you to make a change. That's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching. Emily Stewrat, the science rat. Stay curious, my friends.
Bloopers.
You can also try to drive more.
So what can we do to stop it?
I'll tell you, little girl. As people burn fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide enter the atmosphere. The chemicals mixed with water or acid deposition affects both living and non-living beings.
Thanks for watching.